The M mainly is done with the arms outwardly, but the legs are always a little bit involved, and that's why I do it now standing, and those of you who have energy are invited to join. And first of all, just relax your legs a little bit and just bend them. Yeah? And then slowly come up again. And I've told you already that the muscles very quickly want to come up again because they say bones take over. Yeah? And that's why we say, no, our life forces live in the muscle system. So we want to play with you. And we go down slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go up even slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And only with 8 the legs really become straight, but still not stiff. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can, when you sit, you just do it with your feet and slowly lift and bring the legs up again. And then we now do the M. We did it with parallel arms. You remember we started with taking first. Huh? You must have something in order to be able to give. So we come in slowly to our heart. We turn the hands and slowly they move out again. M. Yeah? And then they turn again and it starts anew. Let's do this movement together with bending the legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax, turn the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax, turn the hands. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this 5, 6, 7, 8 somehow helps us not to go too far out. We don't want to lose ourselves, even when we give, but that is the last 5, 6, 7, 8, a sort of rounding off takes place, and we stay in a certain roundness. We stay encompassed by shelter. Yeah? Let's try this, that we do not just push outwardly, but it's somehow rounding off. But like always, take first. Not like always, but in this case, in our M. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let go. Step in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we stop with arriving at ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slowly come up. 1, 2, by letting go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And breathe. So we stopped really with arriving at ourselves. And then coming up, we stayed with ourselves. Rob has asked a wonderful question. When do I think this poem, or Earth, I'm feeling you, when walking. And Eurythmy is with letters, sounds, movements, with words. But it's also about learning to think with the body. So we have a poem which we can learn by heart. We know it. But afterwards we try to feel it with the body, the meaning of the sentence. Yeah? And let's try this when we do the threefold walking, because M is about connecting. So just stand and slowly lift the heels, bring the foot forward, earth, I'm feeling you. And have your hands at your heart. I'm gently caressing you. Tolerate my human foot. Feel my loving touch. If you have space, you continue. I go backwards. You carry my every step. You shoulder my burden too. You give me homeland here. Earth, I am thanking you. And now breathe, let go. Never mind, did I do it well? Was I too concentrated? No problem. If you did it well, countercurrents happened and all this breathing took place while you were doing it. If I or you were too concentrated, the countercurrents take place afterwards. And then receive them. Yeah? And it's perfect. Yeah? Just receive the breath afterwards. When you do the steps, stay with your heart to create a connection to the heart. Bend your leg in front because feeling needs softness to be able to flow. Stretch the back leg because when you let go, you also need something. For this you have your spine, yeah, to keep you upright, and this energy comes from behind. Yeah? So, earth, I am feeling you. And now let's think this sentence first and then think it with the movement. I gently caressing you. Tolerate my human foot. Feel my loving touch. Carry my every step. Front leg is bent, behind is stretched. Shoulder my burden too. You give me homeland here. Earth, I am thanking you. And now the playful way of doing it, that in a way you think a little bit the sentence, yeah, such a meaning, and then you do it with the body and you try if you can observe your body thinking it, doing, yeah? As if the body has as many nerve cells as your brain has. So the body can think. It's just not contained in the brain, but it's equal. Last time. Earth, I'm feeling you. Don't try to not think it with the head. I'm gently caressing you. Don't imagine it. It's not a picture. Tolerate my human foot. Feel my loving touch. You do it with your heart. Carry my every step. You shoulder my burden too. It's deeds you have, no picture. It's doing. You give me homeland here. Earth, I am thanking you. Breathe and feel your legs. And the wobblier it was, the better, because then your inner life was active, stabilizing you. It's much more vitalizing if you had to care for your balance. So don't be upset if you wobbled, because you profit from this. And slowly sit down and listen to the resonance. How do you feel your feet now? And you can observe physical warmth, but you can also observe sort of qualities of warmth or light, which are independent from physical impressions. They are just float around differently. And when you observe your back, can you observe islands of freshness? Islands of warmth. And when you observe your breathing, feeling-wise, the feeling of breathing, is it more breath which goes from the inside and connects to what's out there? Or do you rather observe a sort of inner breathing between the realm of your lungs and deeper levels of yourself? And let go and relax and breathe.